What's going on, everybody? Back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a condenser in the 99 f350 I got. It's got a couple holes down in here. Took it up to work today to recharge it. Recovered what was in there, 0.3 pounds. I injected 2 pounds, 8 ounces, which is 2.5 pounds. So I injected that. It blowed cold, but then I noticed it was spraying out right here in the condenser. So I got a new condenser today from AutoZone, $121, but with my discount at work, it was like 80 something bucks. So went ahead and got that today. We're fixing to put it in. So here we go. Pop these little push pins in, out. My truck didn't have that, so this thing's just kind of sitting in here. Then you're gonna wanna, I found it easy to kind of pry it like this. You're gonna take this piece over here, slide it up, get it past that. Undo this end, pop that off, sit it on the bed. Alright, there's the condenser. You're gonna have these two lines. These two, there's one here, pull this off. You should be able to slide down here, straight down here beside exactly where you see that deal sticking out right there, where the hole is in this condenser. Two of them. So that's why I'm gonna need to replace this. This looks like 10 millimeter. This is gonna be 14, I'm pretty sure. So let's get right to this. The lines are a 13 millimeter. This one here's a 10. I was gonna use sockets, but I'm just gonna use these small little wrenches here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one out and this one here out, and then I just came across something. This one on this side was a 10 on mine, and then this one over here is an 8. So I don't know if yours is going to be a 10 or if both of yours are going to be an 8. I just noticed that. Maybe it's from the factory like that. Not for sure, but this one over here was an 8 on the driver's side. Passenger side was a 10. But either it's going to be a 10 or an 8, or it could be both. So keep those two. I broke this one loose with the 13. So I'm going to take this nut off. And kind of get this top line off, and then get to that second bolt down there. So that's what that's going to be like. I'll go ahead and wiggle this off, and then get that one off, and then I can pull this condenser up out of there. So let me do that, and then I'll show you what to do. This top one was kind of hard to get off. I had to get a screwdriver and kind of pry it between there, because I guess it's been on there so long. But now, you can pretty much pick it up out of there. The lines off here, this one was kind of stuck on there. I had to kind of get a screwdriver and kind of pry in between it. Another thing you're going to want to remove is the hood latch, 2 8 millimeter bolts, so you can pick it up out of there, because the this latch part goes right here. Can't lift it up, so with that out, should be able to get it up out of there. Let's see if you can see where them holes are. I mean, you can see right through it, but let's go to this, where the holes actually are. It'd have been on this side here. You can see it right there where they're blown out. Right there. And right there. So, right where the hole is, right where that hole is sitting at, this thing, this flap here, was hitting on it. I don't know if it rubbed it or what. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just cut this piece out there, in here, just so I ain't gotta worry about that problem again. I'm gonna trim it out a little bit so I don't touch it, probably just a little bit. I'm gonna do that real quick and I'll be back. Alright, so I just took my razor blade, trimmed it out. That's it, passenger side, driver side. That way I don't take no chances of it rubbing a hole in the new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this new one, slide it down in there, slide the lines on, bolt them on, put it back together. But I'll go ahead and show you the new one. Here is the new one, and here's the part number, 74883. Got it at AutoZone. Pull these plugs out. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out of the box, set it in there. Condenser, and I got the lines on it. Got it sitting down in the mounts. Got the brackets put on. It's in. Next step I'm gonna do, put the hood latch back on. See, that was the problem. You can't lift it above that. I mean, you could probably squeeze it out through here, but you probably end up messing it up. So I'll just go ahead and take it off. It's just pretty easy, 2.8mm bolt. So I'm gonna get that put back on. After I do that, I can put the cover back on, and that'll be it for this. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm probably not gonna show you how to put that back on because it's pretty simple. I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this up. It's getting late and I got work early in the morning. So remember, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on the 7.3. Gonna be straight piping it, doing a few other things, cold air intake, probably a tune on it. I got the truck. I'm gonna be doing the can't remember, not this generation, the next generation up, the 6.4 generation, I think. Front clip swap, and then it's got the welding bed on it, but I'm gonna do the front clip swap, and I'm gonna murder this bitch out black. So stay tuned for that. Right now I'm just getting everything done, AC fixed, things like that. Fixing to replace the window motor in the driver's side door, so stay tuned for that video. Right now I just want to get the AC fixed since that window don't roll down. It gets kind of hot here in Oklahoma and Texas. So just remember, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.